Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add mask in CapCut PC. So mask tool is very essential if you are editing your video. Here I'm going to show you the easiest way to use the rectangular circular heart mask on CapCut PC. Now let's just get started. You can open CapCut PC and add the video that you want to edit into the timeline. You can drag the video in here. So here's the video. And to add the masking, you can just click on the video in here, and under the video menu at the top, there will be this mask option. So click on the mask tab, click on add mask. Now you can just choose the type of mask that you want. There's the split option, film strip. You can adjust the size like this, circle, and again you can drag and adjust the size of the masking, rectangle, star, heart, or tags. And in here, if you want to use tags, you can just modify the tags in here. For example, I'm going to just go with anime. And here you can also change the font for the tags itself. Let's say I'm going to use this one. Now you can adjust the size just like this. There's also this new option called brush and pan, but this one is only for pro users in CapCut. So guys, that's how you can add masking in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.